This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something.
That's interesting.
And then, Ray, are you here besides your thumbnail? There you go.
I
We
are here.
right at the end of the call yesterday, and unfortunately, we went like 6 or 7 minutes over. So I'm not going to try to show it. Also, well, discuss it, but your stuff with the skills, and it really bugged me when you're like, "How do I remember my skills?" So, Irfan, you want to share your screen? Because I had this idea, but we ran out of time, and then I worked on it after that. And Claude, are you there, Irfan?
Yes, I am here.
Share your screen, man.
I'm looking for the folder. It is not in AI.
No,
Okay.
because it doesn't actually use AI. The topic is AI, but you're right. I mean, but it's it's like Claude skills or Claude something.
Claude skills. Okay. Thank you. Let me share my screen. So we created this script for showing the Claude. Actually, Joe created it.
Yeah, well, Claude created it.
Mm-hmm.
So
Now we're all kind of like blaming somebody else, right?
yeah. So it's your skills folder, and you can search at the top, and there's a hotkey, by the way, you can assign. But up top, you can search and filter. So, and you can filter on. Right now, it's filtering on the names. But if you over to the right, if you say search content, if you can't remember quite the name, then it'll search the whole content of them, right? And you can select them, and you can see down below. And Claude figured out the Scintilla control and did all the color applying. We even have themes, so you can change your theme if you wanted to, and of course we could add more themes. Why don't you increase the font size too, Irfan, because it's a little small.
Wow. Good one. Good one. Beautiful.
When you said, I'm like, why? That's why I said on the call, you should have something like impromptu assistant or something to just help assist you remember what it is. And then I'm like, wait a minute, let me just have Claude. It's a structured file. Those skills are very structured, right? And I know you know that because you built them and you know how. So that means we don't need AI to read the files and digest it. We can write a script to go pull out the stuff and identify it and things. And I added the date. Actually, Claude suggested the date modified column, which I thought was great. Mine are all the same because I haven't made it. Oh, and actually, those are editable, by the way. The Scintilla control below, you can actually edit. You can save it.
So awesome. That's awesome.
That is awesome. Would you share that?
No, never. Yeah. Also, look at the third column. I said, hey, why don't you study the skills, how important each part is, and then score them on some sort of validity of how valid that skill will be. Like, does it adhere to the rules, right? So that was just I don't know how accurate it is, but it was interesting that
Beautiful.
it did it. Yeah.
Wow. Good one. That'll be handy.
Yeah, and I said you can assign a hotkey. I think it's what is it? Control Alt S, Irfan?
Yeah, Control Alt S for show hide this GUI.
Yeah.
And when you make change, you can do Control S and it will save the file, or you can hit that button, and you can change all hotkeys.
Just hit the hotkey.
Beautiful.
Hit the hotkey.
Control Alt S.
Yeah. So now you can just pull it up. You can of course change the hotkey, but because we don't want to, you're in the middle of something, you don't want to have to go find the script and launch it, right? So we want to have a hotkey to pull it up real quickly.
Yeah.
So here you just you give it the path to your skills, the parent skill folder, and it will go read, your skills.
Yeah.
What do you mean by skills? I must have missed this somewhere. What is this?
All right. So David, you were not
I
here.
wasn't here yesterday.
Oh, yeah, that's the thing. So,
I
don't know if it was yesterday, but recently we were talking about skills. I was explaining how the editors right now are allowing you to look at something called skills, which is a folder in which you have prompts, but you can also have scripts and programs that can be launched, right?
Yeah.
And what it does is that instead of AI trying to figure out how to do something, it could use the tools and scripts and examples that are in that folder to always use the same approach.
I got it. No, I understand. I have something similar, but I have MD files like, hey,
Exactly. But here's the thing.
this is more organized.
Not only that, the skills then is something that is read automatically by the editors, and you save them in your environment, like your user folder. And what happens is it doesn't matter if you're using Claude Code or if you're using VS Code or any other editor, many of them who follow the open skills, what we had, I showed the page, it's called
Right.
open skills or something. If they follow that pattern, the editor will automatically read there and figure out which skills to use. Or in your prompt, you can tell it, use this one skill.
Gotcha.
So if you have a very specific way of how you want your debugging workflow to happen, like open the file, read the file and find, validate the script and do this and that. You can have scripts that do that for you. And AI, instead of trying to figure out and do it, it's just going to run the script that is in there and it's just going to validate and get the actions. So it's
I got
a very effective way to have
No, it's a better way
automated workflows.
Okay. Yeah, because right now I have it like, hey, when you read this MD file, it'll tell you how to go do this. I have to tell which,
Right.
but this you're saying it's going to do it automatically because it'll read the skills folder.
Yes and no.
Okay.
That was what we were talking with Ray. I was asking him during specifically of like, how often, if you don't mention it, how often does it actually find it on its own, right? And I think Ray, you said it's kind of hit and miss. That's been my experience too. It sometimes does, but not always.
Yes, because what happens is, and I tried to explain that yesterday, is it's tried to gather the context of your prompt and see if it needs that skill. And you know how AI is. Sometimes it will come to one conclusion. Sometimes it's going to come to another one.
Right.
I think the model that you use might have a lot to do with that. If you use models with bigger context and better capabilities, maybe it would be more reliable. But their experience has been automatically coming up with those hasn't been stable enough. So always just mention the skill that you want to use, and that's it.
I keep looking for a place where people would share their skills. I'm sure there must be thousands of really neat skills that.
Haven't you found it already?
Yeah, I posted in that day we talked about it, Ray. Right after the call, I posted a Perplexity query where I asked it, and it gave several sources where people have shared their skills.
Right, but I'm looking for one big one where there's.
Oh no. So I think I understand what you mean.
Well, you can make it, since you have all those links, you can just make a tool that searches all those repositories.
One go.
Well, and now with even Claude, being able to control your browser, right? Just tell it to go get them.
Yeah. I've been
And Ray, did you watch the video I tagged you in the Hero group a couple days ago? It was an interesting idea because remember 2 or 3 weeks ago you asked about web scraping and this and that, and we were telling you on the call, hey, just try to use AI to see if it will go do it. Well, in the video I watched, interestingly enough, because Notebook can have access to stuff, they had Notebook LM go pull in the data and then use a data table. They clicked the data table option in Notebook LM to go rip out the links and things. And I'm like, that might work for what you were talking about.
I'll have to find that. I haven't seen it yet.
Yeah, it's a really short video too. So it's very concise. Explore our huge library of 466 plus hours of recorded AHK tutorials. Watch, rewind, and master tricks at your own pace. Grab 25% off all our AHK goodies, courses, scripts, and custom work so you save cash while building your toolkit like a boss.